In a lush meadow filled with vibrant flowers and chirping birds, Sammy the squirrel gazed out from his tree home with a heavy heart. Litter was strewn everywhere, marring the once beautiful landscape. Sammy knew something had to be done. Gathering his friends, Bella the bunny, Ricky the robin, and Tina the turtle, Sammy shared his concern. Together, they devised a plan to clean up the meadow and restore its beauty. They split tasks and set out with determination. With laughter and teamwork, Sammy and his friends worked tirelessly, picking up trash and recycling items. Each piece they collected brought the meadow one step closer to its former glory. Despite the hard work, they made it fun, turning cleaning into an adventure. As the meadow began to look cleaner, Sammy had another idea. He proposed planting trees and flowers to further enhance its beauty and provide homes for more animals. Excitedly, they gathered seeds and saplings and set about planting them throughout the meadow. Weeks passed, and the meadow transformed into a lush paradise once again. Animals returned, grateful for Sammy and his friends' hard work. The once messy meadow now stood as a shining example of the importance of cleaning up and planting trees. As the sun set on their successful project, Sammy and his friends made a solemn promise. They vowed to always care for their environment and inspire others to do the same. With determination in their hearts, they knew their actions would have a lasting impact. Closing, with smiles on their faces and hearts full of pride, Sammy and his friends returned to their homes, knowing they had made a difference. The meadow was not just cleaner, it was a symbol of hope and unity. Thanks to the efforts of the cleanup crew, Guardians of Green,